Hey guys, how you doing? It's Streetwise Automotive and Truck Center here. What we have is a 2002 Honda Odyssey that a front pipe was just replaced on the exhaust system, and it's come back with a broken front pipe. And what we have is the engine mount here. It's physically going right out on it, as you can see there, causing the engine to raise up. That's put added pressure onto the exhaust system, causes to break the pipe or other suspension components. So what we need to do here is to get new motor mounts put in there and talk to our exhaust supplier and see if they'll give us a warranty pipe on this. So engine mounts are a critical thing of every vehicle. Thanks again for watching our video, Streetwise. Thank you. Bye-bye.